Welcome to ArtworkExplainedcomau. In this lesson, I'm going to explain how to curve type around a badge using Adobe Illustrator CS3. So let's create a new document by going up to File, New. Let's name it How to Curve Type Around a Badge.ai. The file size is perfect, A4, landscape. The color mode should always be in CMYK, and raster effects and preview mode, just leave it as is. So I press OK. Now I want to send down some guides from the rulers, so I need to bring the rulers up, so I go Command R, click, drag, like so, click, drag, like that, and there we have just some guides there. So let's create two circles. So I go to my ellipse tool, I press Option, click, let's type in 100 as the big one first. That'll be the edge of my badge, and now I'm going to create a 70mm circle, and this is going to be the size of the type. So press OK. Now I want to split these in half, so I go over to my scissor tool, click on that anchor, and click on that anchor. And straight away you can see that when I click the second one, it made the whole section cut in half. So obviously the top section isn't active, joined to the bottom half. So let's select the top half first and go to the T tool and hover over and click. Now I'm going to type in some words. How to curve type, and click the white arrow tool to deactivate the typing, and I'm going to zoom in as well. So let's go back to the white arrow tool. I'm going to click this vertical line so I can drag it down to the bottom there, and also I'll repeat that to this side. And then I'm going to go Command Shift C, which centers the text. I'm going to change the typeface as well, so I go Helvetica, just a nice version like so, and I'm going to put the type at 26, so that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to repeat that process for the bottom section. Let's go to your T tool, click, and this time I'm going to start typing, but you'll notice that as I start typing, the words are going to disappear, so don't worry about that. So here we go. Around A B A D G E, around a badge. So what's happened there is as I've typed, there's been no more room, so it has still registered my letters, but it's just not showing it. So what we need to do is go to white arrow tool, click and drag that vertical line, and you can see that the text has come back. And likewise on this side, just click and drag that up to there. What I might do is just take away the guides at the moment, because I'm going to deal with this little vertical line. I want the type to run that way as it is, but I don't want this type running upside down. So what I need to do is click and drag, and that brings it the right way around. But it's still not aligning, so what I need to do is lower this. So we go up to the character tool, and I highlight this, and I want to go below, so I go minus 18.5, enter, and there you have it. You've nicely curved the type around a badge. Now it looks pretty boring at the moment, so let's spice it up by putting a few more extra features. So let's put let's get the guides back up, go to our ellipse tool, move over to here, and I press Option, click. Let's make that 6 by 6 and go OK, and just move it around. Oopsie daisy. Just move it around using your black arrow tool, or just go use your keys on your keyboard. And now I want to mirror that onto the other side. So I go over to the reflect tool, I click it, and I press Option, click the center, and I press or I can go preview mode, and yep, that's exactly where I want to go. So I press copy, and there you have it. You've mirrored it perfectly. If you didn't do it like that, I would just go Command Z. What you could do is click that again, click there, and then click here just down below, and notice how the circle is coming around. If I also press Command Option Shift, it will snap over there. So that's two ways of doing that. Now I also want to put a soccer ball right in the middle there. So let's go find a soccer ball, And I'll just turn the guides off before I do that. So I go Command O to go find it, click on the file, go open, and here we have a soccer ball. So what I want to do is select everything. So I go select all, I go object group because I want to group everything now, and then go edit copy. So let's just close that down. Now we're back at the original artwork and I want to paste it in. So just go over to edit, go paste. And as you can see, the ball is quite large, so I need to reduce it. So let's go to Windows, go down to transform, and let's type in the width 48. Yep, that's pretty good width, but it's not in the right position. So what I might do is just click shift and drag it up. That constrains it, and I might just tab it across, tab it up, click off the artwork, and I might just zoom in to just get a better look. Just go back to the black arrow tool, click on the ball, and remember, because I grouped it, that's all I need to do is just click anywhere and it just groups that football, that soccer ball I mean. So I'm happy with that. And that looks like some nice type that's curving around a badge. Now before you send this file to a decorator, you need to convert all the type to outlines. So let's save this file with the type active. So I'll go Command S, and I might just put the word at the end, active, and I'll press save. Okay, but then let's select all and go up to type, create outlines, and that's converted the type to outlines. And I might also group everything, so I'll go object group, and now everything's selected, and I'm going to save a copy, and this time instead of active I'm going to make this outlines. So I press save, press OK, and now that's saved as converted to outlines, but I need to go back to make this active, so I just go Command Z, and there you have it. So that's how you curve type around a badge. I hope that's been helpful, and thanks for watching ArtworkExplained.com.au.